Our customers trust us to make the right decision when diagnosing their vehicle, but it can be difficult explaining the cost and reasoning for a new diesel particulate filter. So, how do we best approach this when replacement is required? The team at Ryco have developed a series of DPF related videos to help our customers understand these complex emission control systems. These videos explain the diagnostic path that was followed to reach a decision to replace their vehicle's DPF. The videos explain the DPF itself and why it is required, the normal regeneration cycle, and why this cycle may not always prevent the DPF from blocking, and of course, some replacement options. When it comes to a DPF replacement, we should use the Ryco video content as part of the customer discussion, especially when recommending a replacement Ryco diesel particulate filter. All Ryco DPFs meet Euro certification where applicable and include vehicle-specific fitting kits. Compared to the price tag of an OEM part, Ryco is an excellent alternative while also guaranteed to match quality and performance. If you would like any further information, consult the Ryco DPF website or contact our customer care team today.